All right, guys, what is going on today? So I am gonna be out here. I'm gonna chase a little bit of some panfish, probably gonna go after some crappies. We are at the bottom of a spillway of a lake that's actually gonna be doing a drainage. They haven't done the drainage yet, but we got some good flowage water here, as you can see, and we're at the bottom. But I think I'm gonna go over here with my waders, which I brought with me, and we're gonna go over there to where we have some action, and I'm gonna toss around a couple of different paddle tails that I brought with me. I'll go ahead and show you. I got the Kalins, which is my favorite, and then Trigger X, just to try to get some panfish. I also have a paddle tail already tagged on that I catch some smallies. There might be some smallies in here or largemouth, because there is largemouth above this spillway. But we're just gonna give it a try, so stay tuned, y'all. We're rocking the old cheap Amazon waders still, so these things have been holding up. One advantage I have bringing my waders with me is now I could just walk right in front of the spillway. Before, you would only be able to cast over there and get, oh, wow, I just got smoked. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a smallie. Did not expect that. Dark smallie. Right in the side of the lip. Out of all the things I was going to catch here, I didn't expect to catch a smallie. Nice. Smallie on a tiny little paddle tail there. Thanks, buddy. Really? You pulled my bobber under? Get out of here. Get out of here. Go back to where I was. Alright, time to switch it to yellow. Oh. There it was. That was a crappie. Oh. Just about to go for another cast. There's a crappie. That's what we're here for. Right there, boys. Since we're keeping, time to go on a stringer, little buddy. If you're wondering, like, dude, he's super small. Yeah, pretty much all the crappie that are in this little area are like super tiny. So, haters gonna hate, but I'm gonna eat. It's kind of like a more of aggressive bite that time. I'll try that pattern there. I was reeling a little bit like this. Well, he ate when I was about to recast, which is pretty crazy. What the? Did it again. We got, looks like a little better. Nice. We'll add that one. He's not as big, but he'll flay. Maybe they're starting to pick up sundown. There we go. A little small there. Should I clean him? No. That's like a pet. Look at how small he is. I'm clean smaller. So far down here it's been kind of slow. It's just like hit or miss a little bit. I've switched a bunch of colors. I got a few more colors to go through. We don't have much sunlight left, but we got the two right now. Beautiful little crappies. Hoping to get into some bigger ones. I don't think that's gonna happen because there's a ton of little ones down here, and I knew that coming here, and that's why I had the tiny gear. And yeah, we're just gonna see what happens. I'm actually super excited to catch some crappies out of Spillway. I've never actually I've caught like smallies, bass, and all that stuff, but never crappie. So being able to take something home and catch and cook is the way to go. So let's try to get some. That would have been cute. Almost went in. Alright, I'm about to get out of these stinking waders. Got us some crappie boys. Man. This is always the greatest part about wader fishing. Getting out of them. Oh yeah, baby. Got them shorts underneath. Put my Crocs. All right, before I clean my area, I just wanted to show you guys the bait I was using. So I lost something big on the brown natural orange. I don't think we caught anything on that. Didn't catch anything on green, didn't catch anything on this. But there's the brown, so green pumpkin. Power bait, and then caught a few on the orange and white. Yum, and then the yellow and white twister tail was pretty killer. It was like an off and on, and then this one was good for bluegills. So, and then these are the hooks I'm using. They're just some crappie jigs by Kalen. They're pretty nice. They got them really weird hooks, but they're like really sticky, so they throw on you real quick. But I'm gonna get home and then I will get these babies cleaned up. I might do the cleaning process for you guys so you guys can see me botch these tiny fish. So I'll see you guys at the kitchen. So I came to the top of the spillway and I just caught another crappie. Like, it was one after another. I missed one and then another one came and hit it. This might be the... I think they might be spawning right here. Just got another one. Got him. Look at that. Good thing I didn't just head straight home. Heck yeah, brother. More crappies everywhere, dude. This little pocket. I was gonna bass fish, but there's crappies everywhere. They must be spawning. Oh, wow. That was a good hit. Now that's a better one right there. It's a good crappie for here. Man. I actually got a pretty good fry here for one person. Oh man, that was a beautiful fish. Nice. I keep saying I'm ready to go. I keep catching some more. Oh man, dude. This is the life right here. Crappies, baby. Alright. I'm gonna catch one more and then I'm probably gonna be done. So I gotta let my dog go out. Probably gonna have to come out tomorrow. Nice. Alright. That's it. I've had my fun. I'll let someone else have their fun. We're definitely posting up right next to the Spillway. Cause look at me now. Woo! For not going home right away and deciding to fish the top, turned out pretty good. We went from 2 crappies to, I don't even know how many is on the stringer now. But at this lake, there's actually not a slot limit. But I wanted to kind of just leave it for tomorrow because I'll probably come back since I know they're hitting right here. And I'm not gonna post this video for like 2 weeks, so I know they're here. And it's supposed to rain tomorrow, which is another thing that can make these crappies be the way they are, is it's post-storm because it stormed today. And then in the morning, it's supposed to rain again and have some thunderstorms. But never know, might have been just lucky. But I might come back out here tomorrow in a kayak, try to hit this sucker. But never know. So we're gonna head into the kitchen now. All right, y'all, so I got home and I did not record the process of getting fish clean just because by the time I got home, it was 10 o'clock. It's 10:30 now. So I'm gonna be eating a little later than what I usually eat. So I got the fish cleaned up now, so pretty good there. But this will be like a perfect meal for myself. I mean, usually I don't eat this late, but since I haven't ate, it's a good opportunity for me to eat. So, I mean, I'm gonna do something super simple. I'm just gonna do, I don't even know. I gotta look. Maybe fish on a cracker, dude. Or fish nachos. Let's do that. That actually sounds pretty good. I've never had that. Spice it up a little bit at late night Clark's Kitchen. So I gotta grab a little Tupperware here. Let's see. Bam. Let's get, where is it? There she is. Taco seasoning. Actually, let's put the fish in first. They're all rinsed off. A lot of these fillets actually didn't turn out like, so like this is a little bit red. That was the bigger one. But look at the like smaller ones. All the smaller ones are like super white meat compared to that dark meat. So this is gonna end up to be like blackened fish. So got all the fish in there, which is good, a good amount, honestly. And this is gonna be like super seasoned because there's not very much meat. So hopefully it's good. We're trying stuff. Late night Clark's kitchen. Oh my goodness. That's open. Well, that's pretty well seasoned. Actually looks pretty fire. Almost looks like Dorito mix. Alright. Like usual, gotta fire this baby up. Clean up my mess here. It's dry. So, sweeping in the garbage here. Dang, I can't believe that happened. I thought I had it. Good enough for now. So I'll have to deep clean it later. See a little bit of high quality, great value butter. Oh yeah. Now, take these beautiful fillets here. I got that amazing taco seasoning on there. We're, like I said, we're almost making like a blackened fish, but it's not blackened fish. There would have been a lot more seasoning, guys. But somebody dropped it. While we're waiting, we might as well get our taco plate ready. Sheesh, boys, I'm telling you. We gotta get the little chip bites, party size. I don't know, that don't matter if it's party size or whatever. I actually eat different ones. This is all we had. I like the regular tortillas for my nachos, but that's all we have. Got some Fiesta blend. Just put that baby all around. Take your nachos. Oh my goodness, dude, I'm about to make a mess. I can't be doing this. Look at, they all shifted. Alright, now put it into there. I do just regular chips usually, so 45 seconds usually gets the job done for melting the cheese, and then I put salt and pepper onto it. 45 seconds. Look at that. Right when it comes out, like I said, salt, pepper, a little bit of salsa. We're gonna do that just because we're doing, I usually don't, I just do chips and cheese, but since we're doing a little dish here, like nachos, we gotta have salsa around here. Oh yeah. Perfect. Now grab our fish. Slide that baby right on there. Look at that. Nice. That's beautiful. That's straight beautiful. Now, got some more salsa. Go over the fish. Oh yeah. That's money. 10:30 at night, and we just create the best fish meal in the world. This has probably been done, I'm not gonna lie, because it was so simple. Taco seasoning, chips, salsa, I mean, and fish. So simple. And literally an hour ago, them fish were in the water, so this is crazy. This is gonna be a super easy meal, and to think I was just about to do one taco with the 2 crappie that I caught at the bottom of the spillway, and then I went to the top and I was just slammed. Ended up with 9 crappies, by the way. So 7 up top, just let's eat. I don't know where my tripod is, so sorry about everything in the way. Man, I am excited. Alright, let's see. Yum. Oh my goodness. Yo. That seasoning it's so cheating because that's all you taste. It's great seasoning. No fish at all. So if you don't like fish, this is the way to go. Take salt, take your taco seasoning, and overpower the fish. So I don't even get the crappie taste, I just get the texture. But super good. 8 out of 10 because I still like the crappie. I still like the crappie taste, so it kind of overpowers it, and I don't get that taste. So I'd say 8 out of 10. If you don't like fish taste, this would definitely be a 10 out of 10 for you guys. So hope you guys liked this video. It was quick, sweet, right after work, and I'm having a ton of fun going out and getting these videos for you guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying it too. So thank you all for watching today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.